this sculpture is going to benefit the National Kidney Foundation. You can find out more information about the National Kidney Foundation at kidney.org. So sit back now and enjoy while we finish it up. Hey, we're pretty far into the project now, and I've obviously got some good progress going on here. I got a spiral mounted on the top, got the great big cool spiral mounted on the bottom, and even got this little, got the exit here at the line at the very end of the whole thing. So, so that's working pretty well. Now I've got to connect this down to the spiral. There's got to be something here in the middle here, and this piece right here is this is the beginning of it. This is the little curved up part right there, and yeah, see all this straight wire that I've got going off in here? There's about 8 feet of that. That's got to get down in here, or a lot of it does, a part of it. So yeah, that your part where you're in the middle of a project and everything's just kind of going along and it's all awesome and everything's really fitting together. I'm not really sure that's where we're at right now. I'm kind of not sure how I'm going to do this, but it'll get done, and it's going to be pretty cool when it's done. So so yeah, you get to watch me bend a whole lot of wire here, so yeah, I'm just going to bend a whole lot of wire and do some welding, and you get to watch. Pretty far into the project now, and I've got a lot more wire, a lot more track bent up here for the middle section of the sculpture. I've kind of decided to go with, there's going to be a dip in here, and you've seen me bending a little bit of this track up here, and I don't know, it kind of looks like a mess right now, but I'll get it squared away. But there's some tricky bends left to do here, coming out of this dip and going around a corner, and yeah, lots of times I come up with something like this and I think, man, what a cool idea, and I maintain it is a cool idea, but man, not the easiest thing to do. So alright, I'm gonna have to bring all my skills to the fore here and get this problem solved. So some more difficult angles to bend, but it should be really cool when it's done. So.